Today, we are upgrading a classic comfort food into a total dinner masterpiece. We're making a deeply savory, perfectly tangy pork chop steak. Trust me, your kitchen is about to smell incredible. Let's get cooking! We're starting with 6 pieces of pork chop slices. Now I've already added our soy sauce and ground black pepper to the bowl. Next, slice up some fresh calamansi and squeeze that bright citrus juice right over the pork. Let's give these a really good mix to make sure every piece is coated. Now for the garlic. Give the cloves a firm smash with the flat of your knife to easily slide the skins off and give them a fine chop. Toss that garlic in and give it one final thorough mix. For the absolute best flavor, let this marinate for at least an hour. But honestly, leaving it overnight is where the magic happens. Heat up some oil in your pan and let's get a beautiful sear on these pork chops. Flip them over to cook both sides evenly. Once they have that gorgeous color, set them aside for a moment. Time for the onions. Slice them into thick rings and divide them into 2 portions. Save half for the toppings later. Now toss the first batch of onions and some extra garlic right into the pan. We're building our flavor base in those delicious leftover pork juices. Bring those pork chops back to the pan, pour in all of that leftover marinade and add 1 cup of water, just enough to submerge the meat. Cover it up and let it simmer so the pork gets incredibly tender. Open it up, flip the pork chops over so they cook evenly, and drop in a pork cube for an extra punch of rich flavor. Mix it well, cover it back up, and let it keep braising. To balance out that beautiful tanginess, stir in 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. Mix it through, and now is the perfect time to give it a taste test. Adjust the seasoning here to match your personal preference. To get that restaurant quality glossy finish, dissolve some cornstarch in water and pour the slurry into the sauce. Stir it gently as it thickens up beautifully. Finally, top it off with our remaining fresh onion rings. Cover for a quick minute to let them soften slightly and give it one final mix. And just like that, our pork chop steak is perfectly tender, beautifully glossy, and ready to serve. Wow! Seriously guys, this is pure comfort food at its finest, and it is absolutely irresistible over a big, hot bowl of steaming white rice. If this recipe made your mouth water, smash that like button and subscribe to the CMT Kitchen channel for more easy, delicious home-cooked meals. Before you go, let me know in the comments, are you team extra saucy or do you like a heavier calamansi tang? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!